GGBO is done. The builds are complete, and all these guitars are available on the Daily Guitar Draw website. You could win this guitar that I built and designed for about $5 US. One raffle ticket, you could win this. This is my unique design. It is the triple carbon fiber tube neck design. You won't see anything like this, and I don't build the same guitar twice. So you can get a piece of YouTube history, if you want to think of it that way. You can get a Mark Gutierrez custom for relatively cheap. Doesn't cost you much. I mean, the price of a cappuccino. This guitar looks killer on a strap. You could just put it hanging on your wall, put it on a guitar stand in your living room, use it in your next music video, put it in your next sci-fi film you're shooting, or your post-apocalyptic Mad Max movie. It's one of my unique designs. I also have the digital files for this available on my website. If you go to my store, you can build one yourself. 5 days. You have 5 days left. I'll put links to the playlist of the builds. Please watch those. That really helps. Get yourself a ticket or 10. Oh, take it easy.